Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So today, as you guys can tell by the title, I am back with another hair review product. I have in my hand the Revlon. This is called the One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So pretty much what it is, it's a brush and a blow dryer all in one. I have the box right here to tell me everything that is on it. So this is the back of the box. This is what it looks like. This is a cool tip. It's an oval design as well. It has bristles. It has unique airflow vents. It is lightweight, multiple heat settings, and a professional swizzle cord. And it's a tangle-free combination of bristles. So this is what it looks like. So this is the cooling tip that they're talking about. It's oval shaped. These are the bristles. The air vents are all on the side right here. This is the swivel cord. So it goes with the flow of how you want to do your hair. It has the 4 different settings: off, cool, low, and high. This is what cool sounds like. That's what low sounds like. And that's high. So it is pretty loud. That's the only thing that I think I would say is wrong with this. It's pretty loud and it does get a little bit hot. It doesn't get as hot as a blow dryer on your head, especially if you're getting to your roots. You know, when you blow dry your roots too much or get really, really close, you can burn your scalp. But this, I tried to get close to my roots as much as possible. It was hot, but I didn't burn myself as much as I do with a blow dryer. So that's actually a plus. And what else about this? It's super lightweight. Super lightweight, which is really good, especially if you have long hair, curly hair, thick hair. It takes a while to actually do your hair because, you know, you have to get through your whole head. So after a while, blow dryers get super tiring on your wrist. This did not tire me out at all. And I have super curly hair, and I would say it's like medium length hair. But yeah, so it didn't hurt my wrist at all when I was doing it. And I made sure to thoroughly do my hair and get to my roots because I didn't want to leave my roots super wet. So I have tried this product out before. I haven't actually done it to my own hair, so that's why I'm excited to try it on my own hair today. But I did do it on a friend's hair and it actually came out awesome. Like, it looks like they went to the hair salon and they just walked out. So this is what it looks like on me. It's not that bad, honestly. It does look really, really good. It gave me a lot of volume. Usually when I do the blow dryer, I can get volume, but it takes so much effort to get the volume. This was just a one and done and I got volume in my hair. It's a little frizzy, not that much, but it's a little frizzy. I didn't put any product in after, so maybe if I put product in after, it wouldn't be as frizzy. So I'm just gonna show you guys how this product works. So if you want to see the process of me getting this outcome, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so I already put product in my hair and I put my heat protector spray on. So now what I'm going to do is just section my hair a little bit. I always work from the bottom and work my way up. I do like to get my bangs first though, but I'm not going to do it now. I'm going to save my bangs for last. But I just have a little bit of hair. I think I'm gonna keep sectioning it. I'm gonna go like this. And then I'm gonna take a clip. And then I'm gonna put it up. Okay, so I'm gonna work with this. I'm gonna do little sections first to see how it works. Okay guys, so I did that section of my hair all the way on the highest setting. So I want to try to do the cool setting for this part, and I want to see how that comes out. The cool setting is actually really good for your hair, so you don't damage it as much, but we'll see. That thing literally gets so hot. Not as hot as like a blow dryer, but that gets pretty hot. I was burning myself. Like what? But yeah, guys. So this is the final look of it. Oh my god, I'm literally sweating. Okay, so it's not too bad. It honestly gives me a lot of volume, which is good. But the only thing that is annoying me, oh my god, I'm literally sweating. But the only thing that's annoying me is that like my little baby hairs, I don't know, it's actually not that bad. Like Usually I'm worried about like my hair underneath because I hate when it's still curly. But I made sure to get my roots extra good. Like I took a long time on each section of my hair because I wanted to make sure my roots were not wet. Like I said in the beginning, that happened to me when my friend was doing my hair, but she didn't want to burn me, so I guess that's why it wasn't too much. But it's honestly not that bad. I like it. I think I'm gonna use it again. Like, pretty good. This is the back. It's not that bad. And I was doing it both ways. I was going under and then I was going above. If you go under, you give it the inside flip. You go over, you give it like the little outside flip. I was doing both because I wanted to make sure like every spot was dry. But yeah guys, this is not so bad. I kind of like this product. And I must say, I personally feel like it was quicker than the blow dryer. So usually when I do my own hair with the blow dryer, it takes me about an hour or 45 minutes. So this only took me a half hour. It's not that much time it took off, but it took off a pretty decent chunk. So yeah, I kind of like this product. So I do recommend it, people. Look, it's like, it has a lot of volume. Wow. I feel like I just went to the salon. No, I'm just kidding. All right, but yeah, so I highly recommend it. It is pretty inexpensive. I got it for $56. It's actually $40 though, so make sure you go to the store and get it. Don't be, you know, silly like me. But yeah guys, so I highly recommend this product. I like it. But yeah guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what other content you want to see from me. And if you're new to my channel, click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. And thanks for watching.